The focus now shifts to the AH-64 Apache. A cornerstone in modern close combat attack operations, renowned for its versatility and formidable armament. Central to the Apache's arsenal is the 30mm M230E1 chain gun, complemented by a selection of external stores and weapons mounted on its sub-wing pylons. These typically include AGM-114 Hellfire anti-tank missiles and Hydra 70 unguided 70mm rockets, enabling the Apache to engage a variety of targets, from tanks to infantry. These aircraft, backed by rigorous training, advanced weaponry, and strategic deployment, not only demonstrate the prowess of military engineering, but also reflect the unwavering dedication and skill of the personnel